Leetcode Biweekly Context 170. Question number 2. Total waviness of numbers in range. Number 1. It is a medium problem. For this problem, first of all, we're gonna do a loop between number 1 and number 2. Second, for each number in this range, we're gonna turn this number into a string. Then if the length of this string is less than 3, we can skip it since there's no waviness. Otherwise, for each digit in the middle of this string, we compare if this is a peak or a valley. By check if it is greater than or less than the neighbors. But that's how we can get the total number or the final result. Next part in this video will be coding only. Feel free to fast forward.